Hello student, welcome back. In previous classes we deal about the networking fundamentals and we have learned about the what is networking and what are the advantages and disadvantages, and also we learned types of networking. Now today's topic is component of networking. Components of नेटवर्किंग. व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ नेटवर्किंग. कौन कौन सा कंपोनेंट्स यूज़ किया जाता है नेटवर्किंग में, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज कॉल्ड स्विच. Switch is a networking device which connect the different computers and different devices on a computer network. A switch receive the data. Switch receive the data from one computers and then process the data, process it, and then retransmit the data and then forward the data. So basically switch is a networking component device. Switch is a networking component device which are used receive the data, process the data, and then forward to the another computer. Second components is used after switch is repeater. As the name suggested, repeater copy the similar type of information arrive as the input and then forward to the retransmit as a output. Repeater receive the data as a input and then retransmit the data as a output. Third topic is switch repeater. Third topic is hub. HUB. Hub is a networking device which is similar to the switch. Hub is a networking device which is similar to the switch, but unlike a switch which transmit the information to the particular device, switch transfer the data to a particular device. One computer can transmit to the data on, suppose computer A transmit the data computer B. Switch work on these condition, but hub transmit to the central data as computer A and then forward to the multiples computer which are connected like B, C, D, E, F. So basically these are the difference between the switch and hub. Hub is completely cheaper than the switch. Hub is the completely cheaper of the switch. Switch से जो है सस्ता होता है. 4. Number 4 is router. Router is a networking component device which provide the route. कहाँ जाना है ये रूट को प्रोवाइड कराता है. रूट मीन्स हाउ द डेटा ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन लोकेशन टू अनदर लोकेशन. बेसिकली राउटर इज द गिव द रूट पाथ. फिफ्थ इज कॉल्ड ब्रिज. Bridge is a networking device that connect and pass the packet between two network segment, between two same network segment. Suppose computer A transfer the data to computer B, so data is transmitted in the form of packet, small packets. So basically root provide the data in the form of different packets on the same segments. So these are the basically concept of the networking which are used. Now next topic is networking topology. I think you are familiar about the concept of networking familiar topology. In class 8, we learned about the detailed information of the networking topology. Networking topology. Basically, topology is a topology define the graphic and physical या logical arrangement of the computer. Topology define the physical arrangement of the computer system in a network. एक नेटवर्क में आप कंप्यूटर को कैसे अरेंज करेंगे वो बेसिकली टोपोलॉजी डिफाइन करता है. फर्स्ट मेथड क्या है, आप सारे कंप्यूटर को एक टेबल पे आमने सामने लगा दीजिए. इस कंप्यूटर को इससे कनेक्ट करिए, इसको इससे कनेक्ट करिए. सो ये अरेंजमेंट हुआ. या आप एक कंप्यूटर को सेंटर लोकेशन में लगाइए और डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स को डिफरेंट लोकेशंस में लगाइए. सो टोपोलॉजी मीन्स फिजिकल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, हाउ कंप्यूटर कैन बी अरेंज. अनदर टाइप ऑफ मेथड, one computer connected this one. So this is the basically three models of the arrangement. So topology basically define the physical arrangement of the computer system. So the first topology is called bus topology. In bus topology, all the computers are connected with the सिंगल बैकबोन. एक सिंगल सा वायर होगा और इससे ये कंप्यूटर और ये कंप्यूटर कनेक्टेड होगा. यानी कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन द द मेन केबल एंड डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स आर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द मेन line of the computer. So these types of technology is called the bus technology. Bus technology has data can be transmitted in only one direction. Data can be transmitted in the only one direction. The second topology is called star topology. Second type of topology is called star topology. In star topology, one computer, so suppose this is called the hub. The main computer is called hub and different computers is called the node. ये सेंटर कंप्यूटर हो गया और इस सेंटर कंप्यूटर से बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर आपस में कनेक्टेड है. सो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड द स्टार टोपोलॉजी. एंड थर्ड इज कॉल्ड रिंग टोपोलॉजी. In ring topology, one computer is connected to another computer and that third computer, fourth computer, fifth computer, sixth computer and the last. So arrangement of computer in the form of ring. Fourth type of computer is called mesh topology. In mesh topology, one computer is connected to another computer like that. One computer is connected to computer, suppose computer A is connected to computer B, computer A is connected to computer C and one computer is connected to computer C, and then computer C is connected to computer B is connected to C. So this types of technology, this type of arrangement of computer is called mesh topology. And last is called tree topology. In tree topology, one hub, second hub, both hub connected to the one single backbone. and then different computers are connected, different computer, and then another hub, and then different computer. So networking topology basically deals the physical arrangement of the computer system. In next video we will learn about the switching technology, networking architecture, which is very important for class 10 board examination. Thank you.